Okay, hello everybody. My name is Suraj-SOC. So today I'm going to show you the solutions of 30 days SOC challenge day 6. How it will be solved. What is the process? Okay, this is day 6. This is the today task, today labs. All about 4 questions. So this is the lab of Splunk. Oh, I really like Splunk lab because I daily practice it. Log analysis is my favorite. So here we go. First of all, read all the description and the question. Index. So here mentioned index month, with 01 or time range this to this. Source app index. uh, First of all, I want to thanks to the HAXCAMP for this great opportunity and the labs to make a practical experience and knowledge. So first, we need to log in. Okay, and what is the password? The password is like this, and so sorry. Okay, so we need to sort this index. Oh, why this is not okay. What is the problem? Okay, here we go. Search. There are so many competitors in this challenge. It's about how many are there total? 821. Wow, that's great. So we need to sort this. Okay, first of all we need to manage time to all time instead of 24-hour. So for what is the question, how many failed SSH password login attempts and datasets? I need to search the event, that means accepted password or failed password. So there are total two events, accepted password and the failed SSH. So we need to include the failed password. Okay, event equal to get failed password. So the total failed password events are 808. The answer is 808. So we need to submit. Okay, this is right answer. Which source IP generated the most failed login attempts? We need to search with this respectively. I need to search IP. Okay. Question which is okay. I need to which IPS. Okay, means source IP. We need to source IP is this. Failed password generating most of the okay. From here we can also fix that this is the IP, or we can also use some query. Stats count by SRC IP. This is count by SRC IP. So we get here the SRC IP this and the count this. Also we can include a username which mention here. Okay, sorry. Source count from the username. Instead of this, I need to sort and the highest attempts commit first. Total 500. Total 500. So the highest fail login attempts is done by this IP. The answer must be right. Oh, I need to use this. Okay, the control Z. So what I mistake, I need to also know the username. Username is also mentioned here. So capital U, I forget to mention the capital U. I am trying the small one. So capital one, username. Okay, here we get with the username this IP, and the username is this, and the attempts is 500 total. So what is the third question? Which host received the highest volume of login activity? Which host? We need to leave the host. Okay, we need to look the host field. What is the host field related to the host field? Extracted host. There are total 5 hosts. So extracted host. So I need to include this in a field, event with this field. Okay. Then I need to space stairs count by extracted host. Then I need to count what I need to count a sort. I count this list the highest amount of attempts. Okay, I need to sort this. Okay, here we get VPN gateway and Y01 is the it received the highest volume of login activity with the count of 1503. So the answer must be VPN gateway and Y03. Okay, here we look. So again we get the correct answer. Now time for the fourth question. One attacker IP harmed a single account with a failed logins. Yeah, we got the IP that is this. Okay, sorry, this 185.4, this and this. Then when quit on that account, minutes later successful login. Okay, it means a brute force attacked after a few minutes succeed after pin same IP, means this IP but under the different username. Okay, IP with a different username. Which host recorded the first? Okay, we need to look time. So we need to mention the time also here. Okay, so first of all we get about we know that which is the failed login IP. Most highest failed login attempts is done by this IP, so we need to mention this also. SRC IP. Okay, instead of this we can do this. Instead of this we can do this SRC IP with this 503 attempts into this. Okay, here we get the IP. The accepted password. Yes, we need to look event accepted password. Here mention successful login means accepted password, so the event must be accepted. After the brute force it succeed, so we need to mention here accepted password with maintaining sort. We need to maintain sort time. Okay, I mention. Okay, first I need to look the security come here. Okay, then I need to I mention and table time event in capital. So I need event, the user U is capital user name, and what is extracted host? We need to look extracted host. Extracted. Okay, again where is extracted? Okay, host and the They also mention message. We need to look a message accepted at these times and this. Okay. Oh, sorry. Message. We get here. Uh, 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 okay. It means sort. Sort means the recent. Sort means in the. Okay, sorry. They don't include this. We can also know from the here that look at the time. Okay, 11:30, 11:31, 11:32. So the first succeed in 11:30, which is the extracted host. It asking for which host, means this is the host. We need to look this host. This will be the right answer. Okay, here we get all answer, and this is the process you need to clear properly about this lab. First of all, then only start to search and type the query. Okay, first of all, we can also find the answer from here. Here the message include message almost about fail login, so we also can find the answer for by. So we can try this accepted event, accepted password, accepted password. Okay, accepted password. Then I have the again including the fourth answer. Okay, we need to include with this page. Sorry. Event accepted password. Okay, we know the IP is which SRC. Okay, we don't need to sort this. SRC IP is here. Person, this is the SRC IP. Okay, we can also find the answer of question 4 from here. Let's try accepted passwords 3. Look at the time. No, time is not mentioned here. Short time. Look at here. We can also see here based on E. Okay, the first attempt. Okay, and table with time. Okay, I make some wrong. Okay, I make some wrong. This is not this include. Okay, first of all we need to look at the time. I think this is not needed. Okay, this is not needed. We can also get the answer of question 4 from here also. So that's all. Thank you all of you. Like, comment and support for another lab and the solutions. I will be there.